Are you tired? Are you tired, girl? You're not even moving. I know. Look at all this junk she has all over my bed. It's like she sneezed. And brown stuff came out. You little nasty. She can't even keep her eyes open. He's such a cutie. I love you. You want to hold hands? You want to hold hands? You crazy dog. You cute puppy. She's like, what? What are you doing? Harley, you want to be my ring bear? Yes? Is that a yes? You want to be my ring bear? Can you be my ring bear? Yes? Is that a yes? Are you going to be my ring bear? Yay! You my ring dog? Yeah, you're such a good baby. Thank you. Ring dog? Ring bear? Are you going to be the ring bear? Harley, you going to be the ring bear? Hey. Harley. Are you going to be the ring bear? Harley. What are you doing? You want to wake up? Come on. Gemma. 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 Hey, Gemma. Gemma. Why aren't you answering me? Gemma. Gemma. Are you mad at me? Gemma. 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 Deem. Gemma. Why aren't you listening to me? Deem. Why are you ignoring me? Huh? Why? That's so mean. Don't be mean. Why are you so rude to me? Do you even feel guilty at all? We're going for a walk. Harley. Harley. You smell the kitties? Harley. Hi, pretty baby. So we are waiting for my friend and her baby and puppy to go for a walk, and I'm taking Harley and she just ate something. Harley, drop it. Drop it. I don't know what she just ate. I think it was a hairball. So we're waiting for them to get here so we can go for a walk. And that's about it. I'm meeting Cody at the gym at 3. Get back over here! I'm meeting Cody at the gym at 3, and then we got, I think I was supposed to do something else. Come back over here. Come on. No. 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 I think I was supposed to do something else today. And I can't remember. I seriously can't remember. Anyways, I just ordered, on Sunday, I was getting out of the car and cracked my screen, which I have the glass screen protector from Zag, but I cracked the underneath screen too. So I was pretty disappointed in myself. I don't know what she's doing. Hi, honey. Hi, Lee. Hi, Lee. Hi, pretty girl. So, that's being shipped right now. And if you buy one, you get it unlimited amount of times. I don't know what you are doing, dog. So that's pretty exciting. I don't have to pay for it again. Because they're $34 for one thing, but they break really easy. So, I mean, I think they break pretty easy. I've only had this case for like 2 weeks and I already broke it again. So, yeah. So mad at myself when I cracked my underneath screen. And then I went to go see if I could get it fixed. And they're like, well, we have to replace the whole screen, which costs $160. Not about to be doing that. So, I have to... How did you manage to do that? She has the collar on upside down. Okay, what did you do? Alright. Heh. My shirt reflection is on my face. It's weird. I'm eating because I'm hungry again. And I'm trying to eat healthy, but I keep finding all I find is fruit, so I'm like, I've been eating. It's not a bad thing though. But this may be TMI. I keep peeing because I'm eating all these fruits. So that's very interesting. But yeah. Just got back from walking. We went to a trail down the road from my house. This apple's so good. So we went to the trail and walked the dogs. And I can't even stand how good this apple is. And then I went afterwards to the gym. And Cody met me there and literally kicked my butt. Literally. Because I worked my butt out. So. But it was much needed. Because I have been trying to, tone my butt a little more and work out my lower body. And so, like, that's the best way to do it. So, yeah, now I'm home, I'm relaxing, and we're going out tonight with some friends for, I don't know why we're going out, we're just hanging out. And I'm going to bring I thought tonight, because all the guys have been asked, except for my brother. And then I need to ask Tiffany, which is the girl that I went walking with today. But we wanted her and her husband are both in our wedding. Well, soon to be husband. They're getting married this August. We're getting married next August. So it'll be her husband when our wedding rolls around. So they're going to be walking together in our wedding. So we wanted to ask them together. And I have, like, up there, it's really hard to do. Right there is a box, and I put a ring pop in it, and it said, he popped the question, now it's my turn, will you be my bridesmaid? So, yeah. That'll be fun. So I think I want to do that tonight, because we haven't, like, hung out with, like, the both of them, like, one-on-one, like, in a long time, so, I don't know. And all the other people that are going to be there have already been asked. So we want to ask them together. So today would be the perfect opportunity. So we'll probably do that. So that'll be exciting. And that is about it. We're watching, we were in the process of watching Zootopia last night. And so far, it's like the cutest thing ever. So we're going to finish that probably tonight when we get home and go to bed. Because we both have a lot to do tomorrow. So that's about it for the night. It's such a busy day, and it's 4 o'clock already, and we still have a ton of stuff to do today. But she's, like, literally whooped from her walk today. That's all she's been doing, is sleeping. She'll wake up and then realize that nothing important's going on, so she'll fall back asleep, and then, do the same thing over and over and over again. What else?
Morgan is forcing me to wait to open this so she can tape it, just so everybody knows. Can I open
Yeah,
like this?
you can rip it.
What are you doing to me?
Just one thing.
Yes.
So, yes.
Yes. Aw.
We're tired. We had a long day. She's my baby. I love her. Oh, I love her so much. And she is dead. She's not even like... Riley? Oh, there you are. Yeah, she's out again. Oh, you can see my nose. Sorry. I love you. I love you. She's my babes. I love her so bad. My hair is a mess. When I got out of the shower today, I just let it go and do its own thing, and this is what it turned out to be. Well, I actually combed through it. It probably would have been a lot curlier if I didn't comb, but I did, so this is just what it looks like. I just burped. So dinner was really fun, and while we were at dinner, I asked Tiffany to be my bridesmaid, and then while we were at dinner, which it didn't really go as planned, but Cody asked Trevor, which is her fiance, oh my gosh, if he would be. He was like, so Morgan asked Tiffany to be a bridesmaid, and he was like, yeah. And Cody was like, well, so do you want to walk with her? And it was just really subtle, and Trevor was like, yeah. So it was just really funny, but yeah. So I gotta repaint my nails because they look crappy. Well, and so today I was presented with the opportunity to take on another job, and I think I'm gonna do it. It's babysitting, and I would, be babysitting 3 days a week at this place, and I'd be making almost double what I'm making right now at the library. So I think I'm gonna take it, and I'm really excited about it. So hopefully, I'm talking with the people tomorrow, and yeah, I'm like super excited because I've been wanting to look for another job. I just didn't really know what I wanted to do. And while me and Adrian are working on getting our cleaning business established, I needed to find another job because my job's just right now I'm not making enough money to pay my bills, and it's getting bad. Like I need to make more money, and I love my job, but I don't make enough there, and it's sad, but I have expenses, and I need to be able to pay for certain things, so I need to get another job. So, the opportunity came up right when I needed it, so I think it's probably meant to be. So, yeah, listening to me blabber. But yeah, today was really fun, and I think tomorrow I know tomorrow I have an appointment with an advisor from school and like a loan officer person thing for my upcoming loan that I'm taking out for school. So that's what is going on tomorrow. And then I work, and then I have to finish Zootopia. So that'll be fun. We started watching the very beginning of it, and I absolutely love it so much. I love Disney movies. Actually, is it Disney or is it Pixar? I'm not sure. It's one or the other. But I saw this commercial for the movie Pets. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. But it's literally like what pets do when you're not at home. And like sometimes I really wish I knew what Harley was doing when I'm not home. Like, is she, snooping around? Is she, laying on the couch? Is she, like, what is she doing? Alright, well, I'm off to bed. I am gonna just watch some Netflix, and I'm just laying down, and that's what I'm doing for the rest of the night, and then I have to clean my room because everything is just out, and I was working out in here because I was looking at my form in the mirror, and I left everything out, and it looks messy, and I just went to town on food and drinks today, and I didn't pick up, so that's what I'm doing tomorrow, is cleaning up this pigsty room. So, good night, everyone. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite, and if you got bed bugs, that's gross, get rid of them.